Okay. Now in this sentence, we know that went, store, and school are content words because it's a verb and two nouns. So they have meaning. If we change those words, the meaning would change in the whole sentence. So we're going to say and pronounce those words fully. It's a function word, but we're just going to pronounce it by itself. It's a short word anyways. It's one letter. So, I went. We say I went like that. But here we have two function words together. One of them is ends in a vowel, the first one. So we're going to push them together and say them like one word. So, how do we say them quickly? We switch the vowel sound. In English, there's a magical vowel sound. Well, it's not magic, but it's a very, very useful sound that we use only in speaking. And it looks like this. This is a special vowel, and it's called schwa. It's a funny name, I know. Now, okay, so we have these three words here. But first, I'm going to tell you how to say and pronounce schwa. It's very simple. Pretend that you're very sleepy and someone asks you a question and you respond to them. It's a very easy sound to say. It's very short. Look at my lips. They don't move at all, or hardly. Now, to and be takes a long time. It's just a short amount of extra time. But when you have many, many words, it could take a long time to say them all. So, in function words, we replace the vowel sounds with schwa. Okay, you try. Say, repeat after me. One more time. Good. I'm joking. It may take you some practice, but you'll get it. We hear it in these words here. About. About. Normally, if we were reading, we would say about, apple. But we don't pronounce the short A sound. We don't say about, we say about. Op. Now this O here is a long O, but we don't say opposite. It's too long. We say opposite, opposite. We don't say enemy. It's too long. You schwa. Enemy. Fast. To the, we're going to say it like one word, and we're going to use schwa. To the. Okay? This is how native English speakers speak. We put function words together. If there's a vowel sound in between, we replace the vowel sounds with schwa, many of them. And even this, before is a preposition. So we're going to, and prepositions are function words. So this be, we can say it with the schwa sound. It's b. So not be for, before. We say it quickly and we use schwa.